class, today we will do chapter number 4, pronouns. Okay, and after that I'm going to solve the exercise that I gave you in the previous homework. Okay, so class, let's start the new chapter, pronouns. So class, we will do lesson number 4. And what is the lesson number 4? Pronouns. Okay, you can see the word nouns over here. So let's read the definition first. Pronouns are the words that are used in place of nouns. Okay, means whenever there is a noun, okay, like the name of a person or a place or an animal or a thing, we use pronoun in place of those nouns. Okay, to avoid repetition, means in many sentences the nouns they repeat a lot. So in order to avoid that, what we do, we use pronouns. Let's take an example of how to avoid the repetition of nouns using pronouns. Example number 1. Sonia. Now Sonia is what? It's a noun. It's a name of a person. Okay. Sonia is a good girl. Okay. Again, what I have written? Sonia is hard working. Again, what I have written? Sonia is intelligent. Now you can see here we are talking about a girl, Sonia. Okay. But again and again I am saying Sonia and Sonia. So does it look good? No, it's not looking good. So in order to avoid this repetition, Sonia and Sonia over here, what we will do? We will use pronoun. Okay, and Sonia is what? Sonia is a girl. So for girl, what we will use? We will use pronoun she. S-H-E, she. Okay, you can see here I have used she. Okay, and here also I have used she. But over here I have used Sonia. Why? Because we should know that about whom we are talking. So you can see how I have avoided repetition of the noun. Okay, or the special name. Repetition of the special name. Now let's see. Sonia is a good girl. Because we are talking about Sonia, that's why I have not written she over here. We should know that we are talking about Sonia over here. Now in place of Sonia over here, now I have replaced this word Sonia with the pronoun she. She is a pronoun. Okay, so I have replaced Sonia with pronoun she. So she is hardworking. She is intelligent. Understood? So I have used she for girl. Okay. Now next example. Dog. Dog is what? Dog is animal. So dog is a pet animal. We know that. Now again I am writing here, dog is a very faithful animal. Then again I am writing here, dog is very playful. So you can see I am repeating the word noun dog and dog here. And here we are talking about what? We are talking about animal dog. Okay. So again and again, if I am writing dog, dog in every sentence, it doesn't look good. So what can I write in place of dog? I will write it. I-T, it. We use it for animal. It is not necessary that we use it for dog. It can be used for bird also, can be used for cat also, can be used for fish also. Okay. So here you can see I have replaced this dog with pronoun it. It is your pronoun. Let's read it. Dog is a pet animal. I have not removed dog here. Why? Because we should know that about whom we are talking. So dog is a pet animal. It is a very faithful animal. Okay, so it means that we are talking about dog only in this sentence also. It is very playful. Okay, so here you have understood that it is used for animal. For boy, What we will use? We will use he. Now class, types of pronouns. So there are 3 types of pronoun that we are going to do. And what is the first one? Personal pronouns. Second, reflexive pronouns. And third, possessive pronouns. Okay. So class, many of you were not able to solve this exercise, so I am solving it for you. Okay, so class, the question is, complete the sentences with the correct degree of adjectives given in bracket. So they have given you the adjective. Okay, one has been done for you. So they have given you the adjective. Now you have to see that which degree of adjective will come in the blanks. It can be positive degree, it can be comparative, or it can be superlative. Okay, so first point, Monica finds maths dash then science. So class, I told you, whenever we are comparing two things, any two nouns, so which degree we will use? Degree of adjectives we are going to use? We will use comparative degree. See class, we had positive, okay, we had comparative, and we have superlative. Okay, so I told you, in positive there is no comparison. In comparative we compare between two things, or person or place. Okay, and in superlative it is more than two things. Okay, so class, here there are two subjects that are mentioned. Okay, so one is maths and the other one is science. So which degree of adjective we are going to use? We are going to use comparative degree. So what is the comparative degree of easy? First we will write easy over here. Easy, easier, easiest. So easier will come over here. Also there is the word than. I told you, whenever than will come, you have to use comparative degree. Now next, point number 2. We were very full. Okay, not heavy. We were very full after eating the. See class, here before the blank there is article the. So whenever before the blank there will be article the, which degree we are going to use? We are going to use superlative degree. So which word is left over here? Heavy. So heavy, heavier, heaviest. So which word will come? The heaviest lunch. Okay, we were very full after eating the heaviest lunch. Now next, point number 3. This is the dash. Again there is word the, there is article the before the blank. Okay, so class, which degree will come? Again superlative degree will come. Similarly what we did over here. Okay, so this is the dash postcard I have ever got. So what is the adjective over here? Beautiful. Okay, so what is the superlative degree of beautiful? Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. So this is the most beautiful. We will use superlative degree. Most beautiful postcard I have ever got means the postcard that you got today was the most beautiful. Okay, you have received many postcards, but the postcard that you received today was the best. Okay, was the most beautiful. Now come to point number 4. I have to grow tall to reach the books on the top shelf. Adjective given is tall. Now I have written tall only over here because there is no comparison. We are not comparing. See, there is only I over here. I mean, it's you only over here, but there is no other person, and there is no the over here before the blank. Okay, so what we are going to write? So we will use positive degree. I am writing in short over here. So we will use positive degree because there is no comparison, zero comparison. So I have to grow tall to reach the books on the top shelf. Now next, the mangoes Bittu bought are dash See the word, what is this? Than the ones daddy bought. So we are comparing mangoes that Bittu bought and the other one that daddy bought. So here we are comparing two kind of mangoes. Okay, so which degree we will use? We will use comparative degree. Okay, I told you we will. Here in comparative degree we compare to person, place or thing or animal. So sweet, sweeter, sweetest. So what will come? Sweeter. Now next, 6th. The table was heavier than, again comparative degree, than, okay, she had expected. 7. Naira picked the. You can see before blank there is article the. So which degree we will use? Superlative degree. Okay. See class, you have to learn all the 3 degrees of the adjectives. Okay. So Naira picked the dash carpet from the shop for the dining hall, and the adjective given is beautiful. So what are the 3 forms of beautiful? Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. So we are using superlative degree over here. So what will come? Most beautiful. The carpet over here is compared with all the carpets that are in the shop. Okay. Now the last one. The milkshake was good. Full stop over here. So here they are talking about only one thing, and this one thing is not compared with any other. So they are talking about only milkshake. So we will use positive degree because there is no other juice mentioned in this sentence. So the milkshake was good. So we will use good only over here. Good. What is the comparative degree? Better and best. Okay. Next, the strawberry ice cream was dash than that. Now in the second sentence, here the strawberry ice cream is compared with milkshake. Now there are how many things? 2 things. Okay. So they are saying strawberry ice cream was better. Okay. Because there is comparison between 2 things. Also class, there is this word than. Okay. Now last, but the chocolate cake was the dash. You can see the over here before the blank. So which degree we are going to use? Superlative degree. Okay. So but the chocolate cake was the dash of all. So they have given adjective good. So we will use superlative degree. What is the superlative degree of good? Good, better, best. So what we will write? Best. Class, I hope you have understood what I explained you today. In case of any doubts or any queries, you can mail me. Okay, take care and have a good day.